Perry, remember I told you I'm a roofer. So I have a roofing crew coming down here to take the shingles off of this house right here and put them back. That's my day. Plywood's in terrible shape. I feel like it needs to be replaced. This is just delaminated plywood, just because it's dry rotted. I guess it was wet before, and whoever redid the repair did a terrible job. They should have never went over the top of this. Some people will try to hide stuff like that, not me. Oh, I can't believe the holes that they left in this roof, whoever did this job. Absolutely crazy. Craziness going on in this roof. Just like that piece, they left a piece of metal there. Who knows what we're gonna find over here, but so far we didn't start tearing this side off yet. That is the back side of the plywood, what it looked like. Yeah, that's the back side of it. That's why it's coming out. Wow. This had so many roofs on it. Look at that right there. Inside the attic right there. bad shape. Get that inside. Worse than the outside look like. We had a bunch of plywood that we had to replace. Hello everybody, this one is finished. I wanted to do a walk around to show the customer that we did a amazing cleanup. After all this thing, 41 sheets of plywood, everybody, 41 sheets. This thing was a disaster. Yes, it was a disaster. Oh yeah, oh, they put rain diverters on 1, 2, 3 pieces. That's great. That was a good idea. 1, 2, 3. All 3 of them got rain diverters. We are gonna paint them rain diverters so they look better. But finished, everybody. I'm gonna fly my drone up there and take a better look while Paul is getting ready to paint the front of them so that they don't look like some steel running across the front of their house. Nice cleanup. I'll walk up on the deck, make sure it's clean too. Looks really good. That's one thing I demand, is a clean job when they're finished. I don't like leaving messes for anybody to have to clean up. So I like to go around and check real quick and make sure it looks good, and it does. No damage anywhere, looks good. Nice cleanup. That's important. If you do a roof for somebody, you don't want to leave them a mess to clean up. That's the most important thing about doing a roof or a repair for somebody, is that they don't have to come back behind you and clean it up. Boy, it's right on the edge, bud. All 3 of them.